Hey! Welcome to A to Z Yarn Safari Animals. Let's learn and meet all the colorful animals together.
A is for antelope, red, red antelope.
B is for buffalo, hey! Blue, blue buffalo.
C is for cheetah, ha! Yellow, yellow cheetah.
D is for deer, wah! Green, green, green deer.
D is for elephant, whoa! Pink, pink elephant.
F is for flamingo, red. Orange, orange flamingo. G is for giraffe, purple, purple giraffe.
H is for hippo, hound, brown, brown hippo.
I is for impala bed, white, white impala. J is for jackal, black, black jackal. K is for kudu, red, red kudu.
L is for lion, golden, golden lion. M is for meerkat, gray, gray meerkat. N is for nyala, blue, blue nyala.
O is for ostrich, pink, pink ostrich.
P is for porcupine, purple, purple porcupine.
Q is for quail, yellow, yellow quail. R is for rhino, white, white, white rhino. S is for snake, green, green snake.
T is for tortoise, black, black tortoise.
U is for umbrella bird, bread, blue, blue umbrella bird. V is for vulture, up, gray, gray vulture.
W is for warthog, brown, brown warthog. X is for xerus, bay, orange, orange xerus.
Y is for yellow baboon, yellow, yellow baboon. Z is for zebra, playful, black and white zebra.